Hello everyone, good afternoon and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech with Sachin Pal. I am Sachin Pal and I hope you all are doing well. I am also doing well and thank you so much for joining me on this particular journey of spoken English. And it today is the 15th day of my daily English speaking blog journey over 100 days. So today I'm here with a story like how to control your emotions, because due to lack of controlling their emotion there are so many people who are struggling a lot. So there is a story like few years back there was a village and there was a Rehan lives in his village with her mother, and he is not able to control his emotions when any situation not goes as Rehan is thinking. So he's become anger and he's just start shouting. So his mother become very frustrated and he's very intelligent and very mindful person, but he's not able to control his emotion when any situation not goes in his favor. Then he's become anger and he started shouting and throwing the things, and if he's not able to complete the work, so he just started throwing the things. So his mother his mother started teaching him like you need to control your emotions. Anger is not your enemy. Your enemy is your emotions, and your uncontrolled emotions are your enemy. And when he get younger, so he joined a job as a mechanical engineer at a workshop, and his his day goes well till the lunch. But after lunch there was a old man, and who dropped the oil by mistake. By the mistake he dropped some oil in the Rehan shirts. So he become very anger, and he started shouting, "Are you mad? Are you not able to see? And what you are able to do?" And he started shouting. So the old man said sorry for his mistake, and he is very fearful. And after seeing this behavior, the owner of that particular workshop is asked to Rehan come to my office, and he asked to Rehan, what you have did, you are not able to respect anyone and you are not able to control your emotions, so no need to work more in this workshop, and you can go and find work somewhere else. So Rehan become very frustrated and he goes to home and he started thinking like peoples are not able to understand me. I'm very I'm very intelligent, even though I'm struggling a lot due to my emotions. But in deep he is able to realize what mistake he have done, and when he goes to his house, his mother is suffering from cough, and he is feeling some weak. So he asked to his mother, what happened to you? His mother replied, I'm get tired, and that's all. And he asked to her mother his mother asked to Rehan, what happened to you? So he started telling her whole story, whatever happened with Rehan. And so his mother tell, you are not able to control your emotion, that's why you are traveling a lot. So you need to control your emotion, then you are able to realize the whole environment is going to turn into your favor. And you need to respect every people, whoever in the front of you. But he is not able to realize. And there was a old man living in that particular village, and his name is Master Karim. So Rehan goes to the Master Karim, and he started speaking about all incident whatever happened in his life and in that particular workshop. So Master Karim listen his story carefully, and he gives a glass jar to the Rehan, and he said that when you become anger, and if you finding the any situation where you need to be frustrated, so you need to fill this jar with some water. So Rehan agreed with Master Karim thought, and he took that particular glass jar with him, and back to home. And when he get anger on anything, just he started filling that particular jar with some water. So he can realize that that particular jar filled with water in very less amount of time. So then Rehan realized that how much quantity I'm going to do anger. And he goes to Master Karim, and he tell about the whole situation, and he said that this jar is filled with water. So Master Karim said that you can realize, now you are able to see how much anger you are doing. You are not able to control your emotion, so that's why you are traveling a lot. And then Master Karim gives two glass, and said that in one glass there is a sweet water, and in one glass there is a bitter water. And you need to give sweet water to the peoples you feeling loved, and you need to give bitter water to the peoples whom you are feeling anger, or who gave you any bad situation. So Rehan said, how I can give bitter water to someone? So Master Karim said that you need to give bitter water to the someone. How you can do anger on someone, and how you can shout on someone? Likely you need to give bitter water to the peoples. So Rehan get realize, if I am not able to realize what are the emotions come in my mind. So he asked to Master Karim, how I can control my emotion. So Master Karim said to the Rehan, like there is two things. First we are getting emotion, then we are doing reaction on that. So there is a short pause between emotions and reaction. So whenever you get any bad emotion, you need to, in that particular pause, you need to take a long breath, and take it as easy. Then you are able to control your emotions or anger. So he agreed on Master Karim thoughts, and next day he goes to the that particular workshop where he started his first job. And he asked to the workshop owner, may I come in, sir? And he asked for a job, like I'm going now, I'm able to control my thoughts and anger. Now I'm not going to create any chaos for the peoples or workshop. And he worked hard, and he is choosing uh, controlling their emotions wisely. And whenever any bad situations occur in front of the Rehan, he is taking the long breath and he started speaking respectfully and slowly and calmly. So after some time, he is able to realize that the co-workers of that particular workshop is respecting Rihan a lot, and the customers customers are also liking the Rihan, and he is able to create a dependable. He is able to create dependency in that particular work and office. So the message of this story is that if you are able to create if you are able to control your emotion, then you are able to create so many opportunities for yourself. And if you are not able to control your emotion or thought, then you are able to destroy your life. Emotions are not your enemy. Your enemy is your uncontrolled emotion. So that's it for today. I think you really enjoying my content, and if you are able to improve something from my these videos, then please like this video. And if you are feeling like I need to create some particular titled video, then feel free to put comment over there, and also subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends and family and colleagues. That's it for today. Goodbye, take care, have a great day ahead, stay healthy and wealthy.